Hi there, I'm Scott from ByTheBrush Miniatures, and today I'm going to go through this box right here. Now, there's a reason I'm doing this video, and that's because I moved to university and I didn't bring any building gear or anything, and then for my birthday I got some Primaris Outriders, and obviously I need to build those, so I went ahead and seen what I could find, and I found this box right here. Now I just want to mention the price of this box. This was $19.99. Bear in mind, a single set of Games Workshop clippers is £20. So it's the same price for one pair of clippers or for this box. And Games Workshop clippers, let me just say, are not the best. I'd show you if I had them, but I don't at the minute. Every time I've used a pair of Games Workshop clippers, after about 2 months the spring goes, so you know you've got it's like squeezy like that, where if you let go it just pops out. After a while it just becomes loose to the point where you can probably fling it around like that. So it's not very good, and I'm going to go through this box, show you what you can get for exactly the same price from the Army Painter. Now the first thing I've obviously already showed you is a pair of clippers. They're really good, work really well, and then you can see this mechanism here is going to guarantee that the spring system never goes in these clippers. You get given this little super glue. It's covered in green stuff, because that's another thing that you get given some green stuff. I've just put mine in this bag because green stuff can be quite messy. Yeah, you do get this super glue as well, and the green stuff. You also get a knife, which is really good, obviously, because you need a knife. You get this drill, and you get a couple of drill bits for it. So that's you know, some big ones, some small ones. So that's obviously really handy. It's the same mechanism as the Games Workshop one as well, so that's going to work just perfectly. You get a file, and let me tell you now, it's a really good one. It's really not going to take a whole lot of work to get the result that you need with your file. And finally, to go with the green stuff, you get this sculpting tool, which is very nice, double-sided, and obviously you've got the ridges here as well that you actually can use as well. So I actually cannot recommend this kit enough, because for the same price as a single pair of Games Workshop clippers, you can get the whole bunch of everything you need. The problem is, a lot of people see Games Workshop and they see, that's the name that I know, that's the name that I have to get, because Games Workshop, you know, they know that people know who they are, and they're going to really try and capitalise on that. I'm not saying don't buy Games Workshop stuff, I just personally prefer this, and it's definitely much cheaper and better value overall. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, please leave a like and subscribe. You can also support us on our Instagram or our Patreon, which would obviously appreciate a lot of support on. We've also got an open Discord that anybody can join if you want to come and be part of our community. With that said, we'll see you later.